Hello farms, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are learning about the most important structure of sewing machine, the machine frame, also known as the machine body. This teaches you to understand how the mechanical component is positioned inside this house. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you can get my next video whenever I post. And here I am. So today what you'll be learning is the structure of sewing machine, both manual, industrial, and we're not going to use this particular machine because this is a digital industrial sewing machine. The pillar is too fat for us to use, so that's when we are going to find a way to bring this back into the picture. Now I know you're thinking something, this is not a real machine, where is the needle part, where is the presser bar? It's okay, this image is what you call a technical line illustration. It is used for an animation, that's why the background is white, so it can help you learn better, everything will be clear. Now this particular machine structure you are seeing is just a design of a machine body that carry every other part in a sewing machine. Now this part you're seeing right here is the arm of the machine. All the way here is the arm of the machine. Now this vertical part of it is called the pillar, and this flat surface right here is called the bed. Together they form the sewing machine frame or sewing machine body. Now it's very important because you need to understand how everything is positioned on the inside. So we are going to bring back a manual sewing machine, a realistic image to explain this. Now I think we should find a way to turn the image into something more visible. Okay, here we go. We can use this manual sewing machine now to picture what I am actually talking about on this particular content right now. Look at the structure, a manual sewing machine, and this particular sewing machine is a Singer. So you look at the structure on the inside, the upper side of it is what you call the upper shaft, and right there you have a connecting rod, and then by the side that is supposed to be the machine pillar you have a linkage arm, and on the downside of it you have three connecting rod, is what you call the lower shaft. Now one of the things you guys need to understand is I just want to show what the machine structure looks like before we go into a real lecture. You need to understand that sewing machine in general have 13 major parts. When we say 13, it's more than that, but the major parts that make it function better, that make other components function better in terms of the mechanical movement, are 13 major parts, and the frame is number one. Without the machine body, it's like, as a human being, without your full body, your skin covering your whole internal part, you are nothing. Okay, so before you see a human being internal part of them, you have to actually see what's on the outside, which is their body structure. So this is what I'm trying to teach you here today. And if this lecture is hitting home, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want you to hit the notification button, share this video, like this video, just engage the video, and whenever I post again you're going to get notified. And also, if we hit the weekend, I post 3 times in a week. On a weekend you can ask question and we're going to go to my community and have a discussion. Now I hope you understand most of the things that I have explained on this video. So what we explain here is about just the structure of sewing machine, whether it's manual sewing machine, industrial sewing machine, the structure is the same thing. Then we're going to go into talking about weaving machine, but that particular one is something different.